if you were able to spare some time during the pandemic for Netflix series, baka po may iba sa inyo siguro ang nakapanood sa Netflix series na Designated Survivor. It's an official name or an appointment to someone, to a particular person by the government. And it is to serve when, if it so happened that the president died or met an accident over a general meeting or a congress, the designated survivor takes place. The said appointment was given to a certain man named Thomas Kirkman, not from a very known office of the American government, but was just one of the simple head of the housing and development department of the country. When he was told that he will be designated survivor and he took place the seat of presidency, he was honest enough that his credentials at kahit ang sarili niyang values and characters will never fit the post of presidency. But still, the government trusted him and placed him in such position. Minsan po bang naisip din ninyo kung maayos bang mamili ang Diyos ng mga taong tinawag niya? To do the work of God is no joke, but try to see the ones He called before and even until now. A fisherman. For our purpose today in our gospel, Levi or Matthew, a tax collector, isang taong kinatatakutan ng mga tao. Some weakling apostles, at talaga namang mga taong mahihina ang puso, mahihina ang pag-iisip, mahihina ang buong pagkatao. And we might be asking Jesus, why in the world will you choose such kinds of men? Why not choose the greatest, the most competent, and the bravest? Our readings today, and even as we honor the Blessed Virgin Mary, would invite us to recognize how the Lord calls. Hindi siya choosy sa pagtawag. He sees everyone as trustworthy, everyone as capable, and as able. Even though a big responsibility is ahead of us, like that of the story of Tom Kirkman, like that of Saul, like that of Mary, like that of Levi, every individual in the eyes of God is capable, competent, and worthy. Kung titignan lang natin ang ating sarili at kung tayo lang ang titingin sa ating sarili, baka talagang manghina tayo o talagang mawalan lang tayo ng bilib sa ating sarili sa lahat ng mga responsibilidad na ibinibigay sa atin. But if we will let God take a look at us, He will remind us, you can do it. You are able and you are worthy. He saw in Levi a potential rather than a weak person. He saw in Saul, though with a bad next stories, a sign of hope. The Lord saw in Mary, though with that question, a worthy place for Jesus. My dear brothers and sisters, The world may look at us and see us as incapable, but the Lord will keep His eyes on us and see hope in us and better days for us. Left to our own eyes, baka mawalan tayo ng tiwala o bilib sa ating sarili. Pero kung Diyos ang titingin sa atin, kakayanin natin, gagawin tayong dapat at gagawin tayong malakas.